Good morning student. Today we are going to learn 3rd standard science subject 11 number chapter light, sound and force. During the day we can see everything around us. This is because the bright light of the sun helps us to see things around us. The sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth. In the absence of sunlight, during night, we need the help of a tube light, bulb, candle, lamp or torch to see things. The light from the source falls on the object and help us to see them. Students, now first we will see some hard words from this chapter. Then we chapter light, sound and force. Okay, see the first word light. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. See next word during. D-U-R-I-N-G, during. See next word everything. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G, everything. Now listen, see next word around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. See next word because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. See next word bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. See next word helps. H-E-L-P-S, helps. See the next word things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. See next word around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. See the next word main. M-A-I-N, main. See the next word source. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. See next word earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. See the next word absence. A-B-S-E-N-C-E, absence. See next word sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Listen students, once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. See the first word light. L-I-G-H-T, light. See next word during. D-U-R-I-N-G, during. Next word see everything. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G, everything. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Helps. H-E-L-P-S, helps. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Main. M-A-I-N, main. Source. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Absence. A-B-S-E-N-C-E, absence. Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Students, you understand no these words pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this chapter. See the next word night. N-I-G-H-T, night. See next word need. N-E-E-D, need. See next word tube light. T-U-B-E-L-I-G-H-T, tube light. See the next word bulb. B-U-L-B, bulb. See next word candle. C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. See, next word, torch, T-O-R-C-H, torch. See, next word, source, S-O-U-R-C-E, source. See, next word, objects, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. See the next word, luminous, L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, luminous, L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, luminous. See next word, stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. Listen students, once again I repeat these words, listen carefully. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Need, N-E-E-D, need. Tube light, T-U-B-E-L-I-G-H-T, tube light. Bulb, B-U-L-B, bulb. Candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. Lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. Torch, T-O-R-C-H, torch. Source, S-O-U-R-C-E, source. Objects, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. Luminous, L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, luminous. Stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. Students, you understand now these words pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this chapter. Firefly, F-I-R-E-F-L-Y, firefly. See next word, earthen, E-A-R-T-H-E-N, earthen. See next word, lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. See next word, diya, D-I-Y-A, diya. See next word, glowing, G-L-O-I-N-G, glowing. See next word, tables, T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. See the next word, non-luminous, N-O-N dash L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, non-luminous. See next word, pencils, P-E-N-C-I-L-S, pencils. See next word, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. See next word, falls, F-A-L-L-S, falls. See next word, throw, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, throw. See next word, classified, C-L-A-S-S-I-F-I-E-D, C-L-A-S-S-I-F-I-E-D, classified. Listen students, once again I repeat these words, listen carefully. Firefly, F-I-R-E-F-L-Y, firefly. Earthen, E-A-R-T-H-E-N, earthen. Lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. Diya, D-I-Y-A, diya. Glowing, G-L-O-W-I-N-G, glowing. Tables, T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. Non-luminous, N-O-N dash L-U-M-I-N-O-U-S, non-luminous. pencils. Pencils, pencils. Clothes. Clothes, clothes. False. Falls, falls. Throw. Throughh, throw. Classified. Classified, classified. Students, you understand no this word's pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this chapter. Kinds. Kinds, kinds. See the next word. Transparent. 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 See next word. Materials. 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 See next word. Glass. 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 See the next word. Clear. 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 Plastics. Plastic. Plastics. See the next word. Opaque. 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 See next word. Wood. 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 See next word. Iron. 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 Next word. See bricks. 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 See next word. Observe. Observed. Observe. See next word. Dark. 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 Listen students. Once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. Kinds. 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 Transparent. 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 Materials. 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 Glass. 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 Clear. 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 Plastics. Plastic. Opaque. 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 Wood. 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 Iron. Iron. Bricks. Bricks. Observe. Observed. Observe. Dark. Dark. Students, you understand no this word's pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this chapter. Patch. 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 See next word. Opposite. 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 See next word. Shadow. 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 See next word. Understand. 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 See next word. Length. 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 See next word. Person. 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 See See the next word. CHANGES. Changes. See the next word. Course. 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 See next word. Appears. 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 See the next word. Mornings. 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 See the next word. Evenings. EVENING. Yes, evenings. See next word. Noon. 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 Listen students. Once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. Patch. 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 Opposite. 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 Shadow. 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 Understand. 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 Length. 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 Person. 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 Change. CHANGES. Changes. Course. 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 Appears. 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 Mornings. 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 Evenings. 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 Noon. 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 Students, you understand now this word's pronunciation? I think you understand it. Thank you.